Cloudy Day, song by Niska, who I've honestly not heard of before, but he does this song with one of my favourite guitar players, G-Love, from G-Love and the Special Sauce. And it's just such a great little chord progression, simple but rhythmic and very, very groovy. I had to do a quick, fast and easy lesson for it. It's a capo on the 2nd fret because one of the lowest notes we hear in this is an F sharp, and it needs to be an open string because of the other chords we're playing. So capo on the 2nd fret if you want to play in the key of this song. If you want to do it by yourself without playing along to this song, you don't need the capo. You'd be playing everything obviously 2 frets lower. It all works fine, and I'll kind of give it a quick run through after I finish this lesson if you're interested, but it's basically the same chord progression. So we start on our 7th fret, up from the capo, E7 sus 2 to an A sus 9. Then we slide our first 2 fingers down whilst keeping our other 2 fingers on the 5th fret, like that, to make an A7 flat 9. Then we go to a D major 7 and a B minor 7. And then the last thing we do is slide that B minor 7 down a fret, play it again with the bass note and the fingers together to make a B flat minor 7. Then we start the chord progression again, but this time instead of the E7 sus 2 up here, we do an E minor 9 there. Then we're back to the A sus 2, sus 9. Slide those 2 notes down, D major 7, B minor 7. And then we're back to the very start. The rhythm, with our fingers, we're going A string with the thumb, D string with the first finger, and then the next 2 fingers take the G and the B strings. So it's... And that little tap works really well to keep you in time. And then we're moving straight to the next chord. Now we've done basically the same thing on the next chord, but then we play those top 2 strings again, or the G and the B strings again, and slide those notes down, whilst leaving the other ones to ring on. Then the D major 7, same as the E7 sus 2, same rhythm. Now when you do the B minor 7, hit your A string with your thumb, and your first finger now is going to take the G string, and the next 2 fingers are going to take the B and the E string. So they're just kind of all moving across one string there. Then move that down 1 fret and play all those notes together. Then you move into your E minor 9, and again you're going E string, not again, for the first time, you're going E string, G string, B and E strings together. Back to the A sus 9, D major 7, back to the start. The entire song. That's the riff, that's the chord progression that goes through the entire song. It's really, really great. G-Love's one of my favourite guitar players. I'm going to be doing some more lessons for songs of his on this channel in the future, so stay tuned for that. And give him a listen if you haven't discovered him already. Thanks for watching. Oh, here it is without the capo. So now in the key of E. See you next time.